Hello students, today we solve question number 2 from exercise 1.2 of first chapter real numbers. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. We have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 as irrational. Now we will use contradiction method to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, let us solve the problem. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Then we can write 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes and integers, Q not equal to 0. P comma Q are co-primes, Q not equal to 0. Okay, this question is very simple. Simply send 3 to the right hand side. 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. You can write 3 by 1. 2 root 5 is equal to, find the LCM of Q and 1, we will get Q. Now cancel P by Q into Q. We will get P minus 3Q. 2 root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. Now I will send 2 to the right hand side. Root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. Otherwise P minus 3Q by 2Q. I will send to the right hand side. It goes under division 2Q. Observe the right hand side. We have got 3, 2, P and Q. These are all non-zero integers. If we substitute P and Q with some non-zero integers, we will get the whole term a rational number. Okay? We will get the whole term a rational number. Okay? We can write since 2 comma 3 comma P and Q are non-zero integers, we get P minus 3Q by 2Q a rational number. A rational number. Okay? Now, what do you observe here? Observe root 5. Root 5 we have written root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. According to the problem, root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. Okay, according to the problem, P minus root 5 equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. But one thing we have to observe. Observe root 5. Observe root 5. What is under the square root? A non-perfect square number is present under the square root. Non-perfect square number is present under the square root. What are the non-perfect square numbers? Such as 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and some other numbers. If you find these numbers under the square root, we can say that this is a irrational number. This is a irrational number. But we have found that a non-perfect square number is under the square root. Therefore, root 3 not equal to p minus 3q by 2q. Okay? This contradicts the fact that root 5 is an irrational number. The contradiction has arisen because our incorrect assumption, you can write. The contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. Therefore, root 5. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. Hence, proved.